This is Heston Cleveland
and Ricardo Love.
And this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby.
We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy
Hookup.
And we are back.
Hey, Ricardo.
Yes, sir.
We on show number 22.
22.
We gonna be at 100 before the summer is up, family.
I think so, man.
We building.
For sure enough.
This is like a continuing soap opera. That's what brings it to mind.
Where the drama.
And I'm gonna call it As the Music is Heard.
Okay.
Man, I'm so happy. We are doing it.
Yeah, man, I'm really proud of us.
We got a bunch of new artists in the group.
Okay.
Thank you, artists, for submitting your music.
Submit.
All you got to do is submit your music to the Indy Hookup at gmail.com.
INDY.
Heston Cleveland 5 at Gmail. First up, man.
Yeah.
I got to give a shout out to Caden Gordon. He's submitting music to us. First artist we got is Houston Bernard. Die Before I Let You Down.
Wow.
Ooh, that's a tough one there,
That's
family.
a powerful statement.
VB. Triad.
Okay.
Then I got you, Ricardo Love.
Me?
I don't want to love nobody but you.
I like that one. I
feel you on that, family. Sound like you found somebody, man.
No.
We gonna talk about that on the next show.
No, I'm still single. I'm still single, ladies.
Then we got Black Nova, Only Me.
Yes. Nice song.
Amy Jack, Wake Up Happy.
That's all you can ask out of this life.
Mellow Rose, Go For Me.
Okay.
Ricardo Love with one of my favorites,
What's that?
Missing You.
That's Gypsy Love. It was produced by me, but that's Gypsy Love.
Levy Perry, Forever.
That's a long time.
That's my buddy from London.
Across the pond.
Then we got another artist from London, Rivera Jordan.
I like him.
Blank Space.
Okay.
I guess he hit a blunt and just lost his mind. Now we got my buddy, my girl.
Who that?
My friend.
Who that?
Lori Nebo.
Okay, I should have known.
Morning Sun.
Okay.
I don't think you heard that one, Ricardo. That's a nice one.
She bring the heat.
And then we got a song, Forgive Me, I Did Not Get the Name. Lonely Won't Leave Me Alone. I know I played it. I guess I was at a blank space. Rankin Screw with Strong.
So strong.
Christina Bennett.
Yeah.
Gus D. Beater. I know I messed up that name.
Well, you sound like you did.
I can hear the lyrics in my head.
Uh-huh.
But I can't read what I wrote.
Lord help him.
Bassman BD with A Rainy Night in Georgia.
Okay.
Rajani, Rolling at Midnight.
Okay.
And since I'm done, Harold Keel, A Sigh of Relief. That's it right there, family.
Okay.
That's a new lineup. Thanking all the artists
Yes.
for submitting music.
Keep on submitting.
We do offer special services.
A lot of them.
The Indie Showcase.
Mm-hmm.
That's Audio EPK. reads the bio, plays some of the music, and also tells you where you can find the artist.
Nice promotional tool.
We building, man.
Yes, sir.
Every episode, every day, we get stronger and stronger.
Yep.
So I guess I'll leave the tip of the day. Don't give up. Keep pushing.
And on that note, let's go!
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Lori Nebo with Morning Sun.
He
This is Ricardo Love with I Don't Wanna Love Anybody But You.
I don't really wanna love nobody but you. I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Oh girl, won't you stop this playing? I feel that our love is straying. Are you gonna be going? Or are you gonna be staying? You got to make up your mind. This love we got to define. Is it sacred, divine? Or will it die on the vine? Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your mind, baby. 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 Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your heart, baby. 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 I don't really wanna love nobody but you. I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Can't get nowhere without and fear. It will make love disappear. You got to believe in us. You got to believe in you. Got to believe that love is true. Got to believe that love is true. Got to believe that love is true. Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your mind, baby. 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 Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your heart, baby. 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 I don't really wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. Nobody, nobody, you have to make up the mind. You have to make up the heart. Do not tear us apart. Do not tear us apart. The Indy
Hookup.
This is Rankin Screw with Strong.
Well, unity is strength. And me and my woman together, we have no strength. Now I'm gonna make no one come pull we up star. You know? Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. Yeah. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. Strong. You want me together we are so strong. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. I heard you talking on me machine. You said that you're calling from the limousine. You just come in and you want come over. Fi make sweet love in a bed undercover. She say one more thing, please Godfather, make sure when me come me I no see another. Clean up the place, get yourself in order. Cause when she come she don't want no drama. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. Strong. You want me together we are so strong. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. You want to come in, take off the leather, go a bathroom, freshen up for your hour, lay down in the bed, give me some pleasure. That's how me know, say the girl are me treasure. More than gold, platinum and silver. Now stop rocking till me girl surrender. Show me darling, yes me dumpling, sweet honeycomb and me sweetening. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. Strong. You want me together we are so strong. Strong. Yes, together we are so strong. To have this girl, everything will be high rate. Now mess around and start no shake rate. Now make no girl come try fool me. No go between me and me queen. Even if them burning bad candle, no jealousy, cause me girl have the hunger. Make them talk, make them grumble. Me nah leave me and me gal make pickles.
Strong.
Yes, together we are
So strong. Strong.
Yes, together we are
So strong. Strong.
You want me together we are
So strong. Strong.
Yes, together we are
So strong.
I'm talking hot, hotter than hot pan. Cayenne, scotch, panny, pepper can't top that. 3rd degree, all degree. Constantly, she fills me immensely with pure energy. Me nah make no one run me away from she. No, I would never, ever bend her, cause this woman is on my agenda.
Strong.
Yes, together we are
So strong. Strong.
Yes, together we are
So strong. Strong.
You want me together we are
So strong. Strong.
Yes, together we are
So strong.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Gypsy Love with Missing You.
When we first fell in love, everything was so fine. I was down for you, and baby, you were all mine. All of the love that we made, all of the time we gave, then things began to change. Now we're in so much pain, trying to understand how our love went wrong. Got me here crying tears, singing this sad love song. I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you. Without you, my world is so cold. Inside my heart is longing to hold you. I need you, boy, here in my life. Only you can make it right. Tonight, I'm missing you. Memories of yesterday linger in my mind, of all of the happy times. I'm needing my sunshine. Can we make this right? Don't wanna fuss and fight no more. Just wanna love you, just wanna bring you joy. Can we make this house a home? Let's forget all the wrongs we've done and come on back to love, because I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you. Without you, my world is so cold. Inside my heart is longing to hold you. I need you, boy, here in my life. Only you can make it right. Tonight, I'm missing you. Without you, my world is so cold. Inside my heart is longing to hold you. I need you, boy, here in my life. Only you can make it right. Tonight, I'm missing you.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Bassman Jordan with A Rainy Night in Georgia.
Hovering by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. heavy rains are falling. Seems like I hear your voice calling, saying it's alright. A rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. Yes, it is. Feel like it's raining all over the world. All over the world. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. A distant moaning of a train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. But it's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. It's raining all over the world, yes it is. Feel like it's raining all over the world. How many times I wondered, and it still comes out the same. No matter how you look at it, or think of it, oh, it's life and you got to play the game. I'll find me a place in a boxcar, and I'm gonna take out my guitar, just to pass some time. And late at night when it's hard to rest, I hold your picture to my chest, and I'm gonna feel fine, oh so fine. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. It's raining all over the world. I believe the raindrops falling down on me. Feel like it's raining all over the world. Raindrops falling down on me. Feel like it's raining, raining, raining all over the world.
The Indy
Hookup. This is Black Nova with Only Me.
Never been in love with anyone who's been in love with me. And if it finally happened, I would probably think it was a joke. Been holding on to everything I thought that love should be. And when it comes to falling, I've always gone for broke. But in my mind's eye, I can see her gazing from the kitchen at me, with her tummy swollen and a 1-year-old climbing me like a tree. But then I opened my eyes, finding only me. Wondering how it could ever be. When I fall in love with someone, I know she'll evaporate with the wind. And then I'm back at square one, searching for love again. I can see myself getting older, a gray hair here and there. my mind's eye, it's only a matter of time before the high school games. And my 4 sons and all the awards they've won, and a full table at dinner time. When I open my eyes, none of thee I find. Leaves me wondering why it's even on my mind. 'Cause I've been told by some that no one marries for love, but I say never, because my honeymoons don't end, and if I ever had to pretend, then true love and I would expire together. I do few things on my own now, so I guess this is the end. I lie here crossing over to the voice of my dearest friend. It seems no one stays in love, but I just can't give up. Though some things never happen for some, but could I be the one this time? 'Cause when I open my eyes, none of thee I find.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Rivera Jordan with Blank Space.
Hey. Na 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 na. Baby girl, nice to meet you. Where you been? I can show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven sent. I saw you and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a game, wanna play. Hey. New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Rumors fly, and I know you heard about me. So hey, let's be friends. Dying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport and my hand, 'cause I can make the good girls bad for the weekend. So we're gonna be forever, or we're gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. You know I love the players, and you love the game. 'Cause we're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far. It can leave you breathless, you end up with a nasty scar. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. I got a blank space, baby, and I write your name. Cherry lips, crystal skies. I can show you incredible things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the queen, baby, I'm your king. Find out what you want, I'll be that boy, but for a month. But the worst is yet to come. Oh, screaming, crying, perfect storm. I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, oh my God, who is he? I get drunk off jealousy, but you'll come back each time you leave. 'Cause baby, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. So we're gonna be forever, or we're gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. You know I love the players, and you love the game. Cause we're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far. It can leave you breathless, you can end up with a nasty scar. I got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. I got a blank space, baby, and I write your name. Girls only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Girls only want love if it's torture. Na 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 na, yeah. So we're gonna be forever, or we're gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. You know I love the players, and you love the game. Cause we're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far. It can leave you breathless, you can end up with a nasty scar. I got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. I got a blank space, baby, and I write your name.
The Indy.
This is Amy Jack with Wake Up Happy.
Stuck in a rut, caught in some undertow, but it's gonna be okay. Just lighten it up. How about right now? You need a little love. You don't need to worry, let that go. Time for your glory days to show. And I know you want it all. It's time to answer life's call. So you know you can do this too, and just so you know you can wake up happy. Wake up happy. Wake up happy. Wake up happy. Get your face to the sun, we get to go play. We'll be having fun, gonna start all day. You don't need to worry, let that go. Time for your glory days to show. And I know you want it all. It's time to answer life's call. And just so you know you can do this too. And just so you know you can wake up happy. 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 Wake up happy.
The Indy.
This is Houston Bernard. Die before I let you down.
Tell me about your day, tell me what you need. I'll pour you some wine, you can lay it all on me. Wrap you in my arms, take your blues away. Baby, whatever it takes. I won't ever let that Maybelline run down your cheek. You won't ever second guess what you mean to me. Girl, you're mine forever, that ain't ever gonna change. I'm always gonna feel the same way. And I'd walk 1,000 miles to put a smile on your face, sing you a song just to brighten your day. Move to your favorite little mapped out town and die before I let you down. I'd die before I let you down. This rambling man don't ramble much more. You took the gypsy out of me when you walked through the door. I won't ever be the man that I used to be, and darling, that's fine by me, 'cause I'm right where I wanna be. And I'd walk 1,000 miles to put a smile on your face, sing you a song just to brighten your day. Move to your favorite little mapped out town and die before I let you down. Rope that moon and bring her closer to you. Kiss you under stars in these cowboy boots. Learn how to dance just to spin you around. Honey, die before I let you down. I'd die before I let you down. Whatever you wish, it will come true. Well, honey, jump and I'll catch you. There ain't a thing in this whole world, baby, that I wouldn't do. And I'd walk 1,000 miles to put a smile on your face, sing you a song just to brighten your day. Move to your favorite little mapped out town and die before I let you down. Rope that moon and bring it closer to you. Kiss you under stars in these cowboy boots. Learn how to dance just to spin you around. Honey, I'd die before I let you down. I'd die before I let you down. Oh, honey, I'd die before I let you down. I'd die before I let you down. Woo!
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Lonely Won't Leave Me Alone.
You told me that you'd be my shelter from the rain, but your love don't come around anymore. Still I can feel the need to hold you once again. What am I really fighting for? As days grow long, the nights grow cold, you're the one I need to hold. If I could turn back the hands of time, how I wish that you were mine. Lonely won't leave me alone. It keeps calling me. Lonely won't leave me alone. It keeps calling my name. You're the only love my heart has ever known. I keep feeling the pain, the pain. I wish there was a way to say more than sorry. Still I'm searching for the words. Ooh. You told me that you'd be the answer to keeps calling me. Lonely won't leave me alone. It keeps calling my name. You're the only love my heart has ever known. I keep feeling the pain, the pain, the pain, the pain, the pain, the pain.
This is Harold Kill with Sigh of Relief.
How can I explain to you? How can I explain the pleasure of you being here? Been meditating in my mind, that the words I spoke to you were so sincere. Thankful that you understand the life I live. Been hanging in there with me without shedding a tear. Girl, I pray for you each and every day, that all the best things in life come your way. I get a sigh of relief when you come around. Girl, it makes me feel real good deep inside. Dreams come true when I touch you. Makes me want to spend all my time with you. I get a sigh when you come around. 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 An opportunity knocks, you're bringing me back to where we're at in this life. Look up and thank God you're my wife. You're being true, we love and dashing, got me feeling alright. This thing knocked me off my rocker when I saw you in sight. Got me slipping like I'm tripping when I'm saying goodnight. Every day, cause you're by my side, ticking like time. It's a man and woman's world, hand in hand, you're my girl. Since the days of young ones, we came back to a world that brought you and me a little man, making me a better man. I'm with you to hold you and treat you both the best I can. We're living this life up together, we came up, we're raising the same up, continue our day up the same up, change for all the good times. Get ready, each day they'll come. Remain true love when we play, you're the one I'm here to love. We fit like gloves and make like doves. We're two of a kind, let the good times run. Essence of love, cloud my mind. Every time that I put you by my side, can give you up, you breath the one above. There's no doubt in my mind, you were meant to be mine. So sweet and divine, you're one of a kind. And I thank God you're mine. I thank God that you're mine. Time after time, time after time, time after time, time after time, time after time. I get excited when you come around. I get excited when you come around.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Casey with Lovesick, featuring Tony T.
Don't you wanna? Don't you wanna? Don't you wanna love me, love me, love me, love me? Oh, love me, 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 yeah. Don't you wanna love me, love me, love me, love me? Just hug and rub and touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Put gentle kisses on me, on me, on me, on me. I'm tired of being lovesick. Won't you here with me? My body needs you desperately. Love me, love me, love me. Oh, just hug and rub and touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Put gentle kisses on me, on me, on me, on me. I'm tired of being lovesick. We can be the next Beyonce and Jay-Z. I can be the girl you dream of in your fantasy. I'll take whatever I can get, long as you're here with me. Don't want nobody else, you got my heart and hold the key. Don't tend to do long distance, but you want your case. Long as you text and call me each and every day. You got that real big energy, it drives me so insane. Have you driving crazy hours of hopping on a plane? Don't you love me, love me, love me? Just hug and rub and touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Put gentle kisses on me, on me, on me, on me. I'm tired of being lovesick. Won't you here with me? My body needs you desperately. Love me, love me, love me. Oh, just hug and rub and touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Put gentle kisses on me, on me, on me, on me. I'm tired of being lovesick.
When I see you, baby girl, just know it's on. We can do some things that ain't never been done. You got both of my lines, you can hit me anytime. Delta, Southwest America, I don't mind flying. I want you to know that I really care for you. I can't think of too much that I won't do for you. Yeah, this thing is real. You got that whip appeal. Yeah, baby, you know the deal. I'm gon' keep it real. I wanna love you.
Love me, love me, love me. Just hug and rub and touch me, touch me,
hands on your body.
Put gentle kisses on me,
too sexy to be lonely.
I'm tired of being lovesick. Won't you here with me? My body needs you desperately.
I'm coming.
Love me, love me, love me. Oh, just hug and rub and touch me, touch me. Oh, the gentle kisses on me, on me, on me. I'm tired of being lovesick. You can be Superman, I play damsel in distress. The jelly to your peanut butter, let's make a sticky mess. Love sick, got me feeling like I'm less than above the ground. Your presence is my remedy, let's go to cloud nine.
man, you my damsel in distress. The jelly to my peanut butter, let's make a sticky mess. Love sick, got me feeling like I'm less than above the ground. Your presence is my remedy, let's go to cloud nine.
The Indy
Hookup. This is Levy Perry with Forever.
I was trying to move on, but my mind wouldn't let me. I tried to forget you, but my heart wouldn't let me. Well, I know we searched the whole world wide, and we'll never feel this way. I'm sorry that I said goodbye, but my life was disarray. I was trying to move on, but my mind wouldn't let me. I tried to forget you, but my heart wouldn't let me. And I will love you forever, and I will remember forever. And if we can't be together in this world, then I will still love you forever. From the first time I met you, I knew it was special. Could you be my soulmate? That special connection. Well, I know we searched the whole world wide, and we'll never feel this way. I'm sorry that I said goodbye, but my life was disarray. I was trying to move on, but my mind wouldn't let me. I tried to forget you, but my heart wouldn't let me. And I will love you forever, and I will remember forever. And if we can't be together in this world, then I will still love you forever. And I will love you forever, and I will remember forever. And if we can't be together in this world, then I will still love you forever.
The Indy
Hookup. This is Ragged Me, Rolling at Midnight.
Gonna find my place. distance too far. I'll come wherever you are. My heart belongs to you. There is nothing I won't do. Yeah, nothing your woman won't do, I won't do, baby. You know I'm here for you, baby. I'm rolling out at midnight. I'ma catch a midnight flight, flashing to catch the next flight, just to make sure. Wanna find my baby. We're alright. 'Cause no one lose my love. I'm rolling out at midnight. Nothing can keep me from him. All I need is the clothes on my back. I'm gonna find my love. Find my love. Gonna find you, baby. There's no distance too far. I'll come wherever you are. My heart belongs to you, and there is nothing I won't do. I won't do. There's nothing I won't do. There's nothing I won't do. Not for you, baby. We're like the calm before the storm. I really miss being in your arms. I'm rolling at midnight.
The Indy Hookup.
This is your Indy Hookup tip for today. All right, we already talked about how abysmal the profit margin is for streaming these days. So one of the ways that you can still make money in this industry is to have people buy directly from your website, or you can do something that I'm doing called an artist vault, where you put a certain amount of music. It can be an album, it could be a certain amount of singles, or whatever you want to put in there. It could be videos, it could be pictures, or whatever, and you have people pay to download that. We have a way at the Indy Hookup to put all your songs and media in one vault, an artist vault, and we have a way where it's a QR code and the people scan it, and they have access to it after they pay the fee. So send us an email at the indyhookup@gmail.com. That's INDY, and we'll show you what that's all about. So that's been your Indy Hookup for today. See you next time. Peace, love, and blessings.
This is Heston Cleveland,
And Ricardo Love.
and this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby. We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy Hookup.